The next life process is excretion. Excretion is the process of removal of the harmful metabolic waste from the body. Harmful metabolic waste जो तयार जाता in our body, it has to be thrown out. Otherwise, it may cause severe problems in our body. So, हो जो harmful metabolic waste असा, removal of that waste from our body is known as excretion. Excretory system of human beings includes, आता हो excretory system जो असा, it is also made up of many components आणि त्याचे main components कोण तर a pair of kidneys, a urinary bladder, a pair of ureter and a urethra. Urine produced in the kidneys passes through the ureters into the urinary bladder where it is stored until it is released through the urethra. ह्यो जो kidneys असा, these are bean shaped and urine is produced in these kidneys. It is a pair of kidney. दोन kidneys असता in a human being or in any animal and urine जे असा, it is produced in the kidneys. From kidneys it passes through these tubes or ducts which are called as ureters. Through this duct it goes into the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder जो असा, it is bag like or pouch like in which the urine is stored before it is been released through urethra. And urethra, it is the external opening through which then the urine is been passed out. And हे जे ureter असा, it connects the kidneys to the urinary bladder. The purpose of making urine is to filter out waste product from the blood, that is urea which is produced in the liver. Urine form करपाचो main purpose कितें तर जो waste जो आसा into blood तो purify करून blood purify करून तितूतलो waste जो आसा it is collected in the form of urine. Each kidney has a large number of filtration units called nephron. Nephron is the unit of kidney. So each kidney has a large number of filtration units called nephron. The urine formation involves three steps. आता हे urine जे form जाता, it is formed by three main steps. First is glomerular filtration. In glomerular filtration, nitrogenous waste, glucose water, amino acids filter from the blood into Bowman's capsules of the nephron. How nephron जो असा, which is the unit of kidney, it has got a part called as Bowman's capsule आणि glomerular filtration जाता in Bowman's capsule. Tubular reabsorption. Useful substances from the filtrate are reabsorbed back by capillaries surrounding the nephron. आता once this glomerular filtration is done, nitrogenous waste like glucose, water, amino acid हे सगळे filter झाले into Bowman's capsule. हो जो Bowman capsule असा, it will collect something called as filtrate जे की आता बाहेर उडोवपाचे. But then again the second step is tubular reabsorption जेतून हो जो filtrate असा into the nephron or Bowman's capsule. From that again the useful substances are being reabsorbed back by the capillaries surrounding this nephron. And last one is secretion. Extra water then salts are secreted into the tubule which opens up into the collecting duct and then into the ureter. Hemodialysis. Hemodialysis म्हटल्यार कितें तर it is the process of purifying blood by an artificial kidney. It is meant for kidney failure patient. आता जे patients who have kidney failure, in those patients filtration normally जावपाक शकना. तर into those patients kidney transplantation करता. Natural kidney काढून artificial kidney set करता आणि this process is known as hemodialysis wherein the purification is carried out by artificial excretion in plants. So आम्ही पहिले जे पहिले it was excretion in animals. Now we will see excretion in plants. Byproducts जे आसा oxygen and water, these have been excreted out through the body of the plant through stomata or through ट्रान्सपिरेशन. ट्रान्सपिरेशन आमी पयलींच पळयला, जेतून वॉटर लूज जाता इन फॉर्म ऑफ वॉटर वेपर ड्यू टू द पूल. And this is the stomata. Stomata are nothing but these are the minute opening on the leaves through which gaseous exchange occurs. And this is the transpiration wherein root जे आसा they take up the water from the soil, then it travels from here and from aerial part of the plant it loses out in form of the water vapor due to the respiratory pull. Other wastes may be stored in leaves, bark, etc. which fall off from the plant. So आनीक दुसरे जे metabolic waste जो आसता, it may be stored in leaves or barks or any other part of the plant जे की मागीर fall off जाता from the plant, so that directly the waste is being shed off from the plant. Plant excretes some waste into the soil around them. Also plant जे आसता it excrete out some waste into the soil around them. Gums, resins, it is the another way of excreting out the waste from the plant. Some metabolic waste is been thrown out in the form of crystals of calcium oxalates in the leaves of colocasia and stems of zamicant. So in this plant, leaves जे आसा, it throws out some waste in the form of crystals like. Okay, so here's a waste जो आसा, it solidifies any crystal like salt crystals like अशे crystals दिसता on the leaves, which is nothing but excreted waste. These are the resins, gums, which is the one way of excreting out the waste from the plant. Thank you.